Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today I am going to show you how to join text from different cells in Excel using two super simple methods, the text join function and the ampersand symbols. Let's dive in. Here's our data. We want to combine the text from these cells into one cell. First up is the text join function. This is great. When you have a lot of cells to combine, simply type =, text join, first bracket, quotation, comma, again quotation, comma, type true, comma, then select A1 to A7 cells. First bracket close. We use true in the text join function to tell Excel to ignore empty cells when joining the text. Excel will skip them and not include extra commas or spaces in the final result. If you use false instead, Excel would include the empty cells, resulting in extra delimiters. So true makes your result cleaner by omitting blank cells. Now hit enter. All the text from cells A1 to A7 is combined with commas in between. Next, let's use the ampersand symbols. It's super easy for a smaller task. Just type B1, ampersand, double quotation, again ampersand B2 to combine the text from cells B1 and B2 with a space in between. That's it. Two simple ways to join text in Excel. If you found this video is helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching.